she's giving out fake money. I said she gave me fake money already,
and she got a warrant for the same thing. Defrauding an innkeeper. Dude did the same thing.
On the 23rd of March, 2024, at a bar location, a woman was asked to leave private property. Given a 2-minute ultimatum with explicit notice of arrest, said she did not care about getting arrested, and was subsequently arrested for criminal trespass. She then asked, "What am I trespassing for?"
How's it going?
How are you doing, sir?
Doing good.
So, I've been scammed.
Yeah, so...
This lady ordered for an Uber at around time of pickup was 3:29 p.m. And I picked her from Ann Street. She was going to Cycle Care on North Roosevelt, that is Kennedy Drive, and so when I dropped her off, she said, "Hey, can you give me a ride to Summerland?" Because she said she was going to attend the birthday of a friend, and I was like, "You order for another Uber?" She said, "No, can I do cash?" I'm like, "Oh, okay." And she was supposed to give me 85. I was like, all right. And then she said, "Okay, I'm just going to give you 100 plus the tip."
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then I drive off. I take her to Summerland, drop her off. And by the time I picked her, she was smelling weed. I think she said she was going through a divorce. And well, that's not my business.
Yeah.
So when I drop her off, she said, "Hey, can you pick me up later on when I'm done with my friends?" I'm like, okay. I mean, to come back from Key West up to pick you and then back, that's going to be 200. She said, "No problem," which I did. She told me to go pick her up. I picked her up. But when I went to the bar where she was drinking from, I tried to call her like 5 times. She was sitting in the bar on the counter. I'm like, "Hey, I'm supposed to get back to Key West and go back to work." She said, "I'm coming." And then there were 2 ladies sitting outside the bar. They were like, "If you're dealing with her, she's giving out fake money." I said, "She gave me fake money already, and that's why I'm here. So she can either send me Zelle or Cash App. I give her back her money." So she said, "Hey, I can only fix that when we get to Key West." I bring her. She said, I stopped by next to Hard Rock where the Bushman like scares people with the prank and all that.
Yep.
Yeah, so I'm like, okay, how long can I wait? I was holding traffic. She said, "Let me come back." So when I went to turn around to come back, she had gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And that's the $100
Yeah,
bill?
this is the $100 bill. It's fake. And then she left a small bag. She took her purse, I think, which has whatever information. That's the bag she left, and
that's the bag she left?
Yeah, and I tried taking videos. She was trying to make multiple calls, like to friends to help her out, but that's her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Is that an iPhone or?
Yeah, mine is an iPhone.
Okay. Can you airdrop that to me? Here, one second. I have to turn on my
Do you want to
airdrop.
post the videos?
Yeah, just send me everything.
Okay.
Yep, that's me.
you? Okay. She has wasted my whole day.
Yeah.
Haven't made anything and have a family to feed.
Yeah. Yep. All right.
And then her name is right there.
Yep. I've got it in the system. That's her phone number?
Yes. That's
Okay, let me write that down to make sure that we get that. 305 879 7220. Alright.
So the total amount is $300 that I need from her.
300?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But she left
That's
me
what
with
she
100.
defrauded you for.
She disappeared.
So she paid for the original Uber from
Yeah.
Ann Street to Circle K. That was through the app, and then okay.
And then she asked me if I can go up in the keys and give her a ride. I'm like, okay, but you need to order for another Uber. She said, can I just do cash?
Yeah.
I said, okay, fine, $100, yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, yeah, good.
Cool. Thank you. Need to get better light. Cool. There you go. And I'll get your phone number as well. What's your phone number?
202
202
945
945
3915.
3915. Gotcha. Alright. So, do you know what bar you picked her up at? Was it
It's called coconut something.
Coconuts? Is that on Big Pine?
Yeah, Big Pine,
Okay.
right around the deer zone area.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's the four-way traffic. There's the traffic light right before that.
Yeah.
Okay, so, picked
That
up.
was in the bar. She said she was going to see a friend for a birthday.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And the bartender at Coconuts told you be
No.
careful.
There were two ladies outside. They were talking, conversing, and then they told me, if you're here too, I see you talking to her, but she's giving out fake money.
Yeah.
You should be careful with that.
Okay.
I told them she had already given me fake money, and I'm picking her up, but all I want is real money before we leave. So she said I cannot do anything
Yep.
until we get to Key West.
Gotcha.
So then I brought her back. She said stop by, and yeah, she's kind of smart.
Yeah. Here, I just need to get the license plate as well. It's, Bravo, DC. And do you know what direction she walked when you dropped her off?
So when I dropped her off, right next to the bushman, the guy that is carrying people.
Yep.
So she turned walking this way.
This way. Okay.
So I was holding traffic. I had to go down to the light and then come back. I saw she was sitting. There's that walkway. There's a small park here.
Yep.
Right behind the fence. She was sitting there trying to take in her purse. When I came to park here, when I went, she had gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. How long ago did you drop her off?
I tried calling on her phone just like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, just like 10 minutes ago. Yeah. Because the last call was at 9:14.
Okay.
Yeah.
9:14. So you probably dropped her off around like 9:12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it happened really fast.
Okay.
And she just, boom, disappeared. She left this bag for me. I don't know what is in there. I don't want to touch it.
Yeah. All right. So this is my business card with the case number on it.
Okay.
I'll give you a call if I find her. If you find her, call 911 and let them know. Hopefully one of us can get there fast enough to apprehend her.
Okay.
Because what she did is not okay. And if I can't find her, you've given me more than enough proof that that crime occurred. So I'm gonna sign a warrant for her, or get a warrant signed for her arrest. So, and you obviously want to press charges, correct?
Yeah, of course. I mean, why would she do that to me? I've spent like almost 4 hours with her, and
and lost.
I haven't done.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't worked. I need to.
Yeah, you need to
You know,
provide
this
for your family.
this like my other job. I'm a security guard. I work night
Yeah.
and then drive over during the day, so I don't really sleep
Yeah.
because I'm trying to,
Provide.
trying to feed my family.
Yep. All right. Howdy. Yeah, I'm gonna look around for her.
Okay.
She's wearing the same
Yeah, same dress.
dress and everything.
Yeah, she has she has a black purse and black hair.
All right. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go look around for her. If you happen to see her, like I said, just call 911.
Okay.
No problem. And you're drinking out of an open container.
How you doing, Dale? What happened?
What happened?
Okay, stand up. Grab your bag.
My bag? Why?
All right, let's walk over to my patrol car over here.
What did I do?
All right, let's walk. I'll explain that once we get over there.
What did I do?
I don't know, you tell me. I feel like you have an idea.
No, I don't.
Okay, did you go up to Big Pine today?
The Big Pine today? Yeah.
85.
Why am I in trouble?
Of course.
What did I do?
All right. So just let's walk up to the back of my vehicle here. Oh, okay. Here, I'll take your bag. There you go. Just walk up to the back of my vehicle here and place your hands on the vehicle for me.
What did I do?
Place your hands on the vehicle. All right. Now place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for defraud.
For what?
Using fake bills to pay for stuff. You can't use fake bills. All right, step over here. Step. There we go. Come on, Poly 5, I got 1, 10, 15. You got anything on you?
No.
Okay, because if you introduce anything into the jail that is considered illegal, that's an additional felony.
Okay.
All right. Have a seat.
What did I do?
I'll buckle you in here. All right. I'm just gonna read you a few things. All right. So you have the right to remain silent. There we go. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained? Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now without having a lawyer present?
I have nothing to say.
Nothing to say? Okay. Alright, so I've got this bag here too. This is coming to the jail with us, alright?
That's fine.
Okay. But this is yours?
Yeah, but I don't.
Giving a cab driver a fake $100 bill.
Did not know it was a fake $100 bill.
Okay, and then, so that's one thing. And then once he dropped you off, you ditched him without even paying. Did you not know you didn't pay as well?
I did pay him.
Nope. Oh, wow.
Warrant for what?
And you got a warrant for the same thing.
For what?
Defrauding an innkeeper. You did the same thing. And you tried to pay fake money to Coconuts earlier.
I did not.
Yeah.
Under Terry v. Ohio and Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Probable cause came from three independent sources: the establishment's request, the subject's initial agreement to leave, her subsequent failure to comply, and her explicit statement that she did not care about being arrested. I have my American right on private property is constitutionally incorrect. The First Amendment does not require a private business to allow anyone on its premises. The Fourth Amendment does not protect against a property owner's decision to eject. No constitutional justification is required. The establishment cited liability patrons standing on shoulders 3 times. A private business may eject any patron for any lawful, non-discriminatory reason. The liability concern is fully lawful. No explanation was constitutionally required. The explanation was a courtesy, not an obligation. The 2-minute warning is the arrest predicate. You have 2 minutes if you're not done. I'm taking you to jail for trespassing. This documented ultimatum gave the subject a final opportunity to comply and created a time-stamped record of the deadline and its stated consequence. I don't care either is legally operative. By stating she did not care about being arrested and then remaining on the premises, she documented a voluntary, knowing decision to remain in defiance of the trespass order. Her own words, preserved on Bodycam, drove the arrest. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318-2001. Custodial arrest for a minor offense, including criminal trespass, is constitutional when probable cause exists. The officer's statement, "You said you didn't care, so here we are," is the most precise justification in the series. The officer provided post-arrest guidance to the companion: jail address, phone number, bond process, and direction to the arresting officer. Under Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital, 463 U.S. 2391983. The duty of care attached at custody. The officer's conduct exceeded that minimum. The officer receives an A-. De-escalatory communication, ejection law applied, 2-minute warning documented. I don't care cited as arrest predicate, and bond information provided are strengths. Arrest documentation not completed before ancillary conversation prevents a higher grade. The subject receives a D. She remained on private property after an ejection request, a warning, and a 2-minute ultimatum. She expressed indifference, then disputed the arrest she was told was coming. The D reflects eventual compliance and genuine confusion about private property law. 3 takeaways. First, private establishments may eject any patron for any lawful, non-discriminatory reason. No justification required. I have my American right on private property is not a legal argument. It is a misunderstanding of what constitutional rights protect against. Second, a documented 2-minute warning on Bodycam is the strongest arrest predicate for a trespass case. It proves the subject had a voluntary opportunity to comply, documents the deadline and consequence, and followed by expressed indifference, creates a record nearly unchallengeable in court. Third, when a subject says "I don't care" and fails to comply, that statement becomes the officer's most powerful evidence. It eliminates any argument of misunderstanding and documents a knowing, willful choice to remain. The Bodycam turns the subject's own words into the arrest record. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.